Hey team, how you doing? Ray here and here for Kiwi Rider, and today we have a little bit of an unboxing video for you. We don't do it very often. In fact, it seems to be the thing you do on the internet. So let's get into it. From our friends at White's Power Sports, we have the brand new Sena 50R, the brand new Sena 50S. This kit, these two items, are the latest and greatest from Sena, one half of the motorcycle communications industry. There's two massive players in the world at the moment, and this is one of them. And they're definitely touting it as the best of the best. So, the 50S and the 50R, distinguishable by the fact the 50S has a little jog wheel, and the 50R, stepping away from the traditional jog wheel that you've seen in Sena communication systems, has buttons. Essentially, they are the same, they do the same job. And today we're going to dive straight in on it and see what these things come with. Of course, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't hit that subscribe button, you won't know what we're up to. So thank you very much for watching. Let's dive into Sena's latest and greatest. Both of these are Sena's top-notch communicators. We're talking Bluetooth, mesh, being able to talk to other riders as well as your pillion, listen to music, hear turn-by-turn navigation on your mobile phone, make phone calls, receive phone calls, all of that jazz. And if you've got a smart enough phone, you can even send a text message completely hands-free. So we've got both of these kits. We're going to unbox them. We're going to show you what's in the kit and hopefully give you a little bit more information and help you work out which one's for you. We're going to start with the Sena 50R. Now I can see on the box here we have intelligent firmware upgrade using Wi-Fi sync cable. I believe that means that you can leave this attached to your helmet and you can plug the Wi-Fi dongle in and it connects using that to your home Wi-Fi, and it will automatically update the software as and when required. What else is in the box here? Low profile motorcycle Bluetooth communication system with mesh intercom. On the back of the box here you can see we have the Sena 50R unit, headphones, boom mic, we have a spare wired mic, and we have our Wi-Fi sync cable here. So let's get into it, eh? Ooh, nice and black. And there we go. That is the Sena 50R unit. Wires coming straight out the back of there. Okay, so that is the base unit. In here we have the boom mic. If you're using an open face or a flip front helmet, that boom mic might be the go for you. And here in the box are all the mounting accessories. We've got the Wi-Fi dongle and charging cable, another charging cable, the big book that comes with it, and in here will be the speakers and bits and pieces, the mounting, all 3M mounting stuff, some cheek pads. That there is the mounting bracket for putting the Sena on the side of your helmet. That is the hardwired microphone, so you've got the boom mic and you've got the hardwired mic. Those are your speakers to go inside your helmet. Some extra sticky bits and pieces and pop socks for your microphone. And those are some extra mounting bits and pieces as well. So, in the box for the Sena 50R, that is the kit. There you go. So the next step is to decide how I want to connect this to my helmet, I guess. So there you are, unboxing of the Sena 50R. Brand new kit from Sena. We're also going to be unboxing the 50S, so look out for that video coming up on this channel very, very soon. Thank you very much, White's Power Sports, for sending us this kit. Do check out bits4bikes.co.nz and you can grab them yourself there.